goes through one of the critical illnesses, and then the whole family experiences both the health, physical health aspect of it, and the financial impact. That tends to move people to act as well. Because in reality, right, 200,000 Filipinos are diagnosed with cancer annually, and about half will not survive. Why? Because 7 out of 10 people actually drop out of cancer treatment in the Philippines because of the cost. Right? We saw the costs earlier, 1.5 million, 1.6 million, 2.2 million. So because the cost is so steep, what tends to happen is some people will start and then stop their treatment. So because 70% will fall out of the treatment cycle, the survival rate actually, on a bigger picture scale, becomes quite dire for us in the Philippines. Now, when we look at statistics on cancer, 1 in 5 new diagnoses will happen in people who have had a previous cancer before. Also, we're seeing a strong relationship between heart disease and cancer. So one is a risk for the other. So having one makes you higher risk for the other and the other way around. So there is a correlation across critical illnesses, which means that the likelihood that some of us may suffer from multiple illnesses is actually there. It actually exists. Critical illness is not a one-time thing. It's not a one and done. But many critical illness packages, health plans, insurance plans only actually cover one critical illness. And once you make that claim, the policy is being consumed and you have no more critical illness coverage. So what happens? How do we protect ourselves from the rising costs, from the health risks, from potentially suffering from an illness multiple times? And that's what we want to talk to you about today. We're happy to introduce AIA Critical Protect Plus, which is actually a triple claim critical illness plan. So triple claim meaning you can claim for 3 different critical illnesses through the duration of your policy. And what makes this product different? So number 1, 3 critical illnesses that can be claimed with this policy. On top of that, we also offer an early stage critical illness cover. So most critical illness plans will cover a severe or advanced stage of critical illness. In this plan, we will also provide a partial lump sum one-time benefit if you are diagnosed at an early stage, which means higher likelihood of survival and recovery, and catching the illness before it becomes, again, burdensome to your family, to yourself, but also much more damaging to you physically. So, critical illness, early stage. Also, some might say, okay, what if I never get sick? What will happen to the insurance plan? This also comes with a death benefit. So if the critical illness coverage is never used, and that would be wonderful for that person, we will all pass at some point. So it will come with a death benefit that will go to the beneficiaries. Now what makes this unique is it's not illness or death. If you have a critical illness claim and we use the policy for that, in most critical illness plans, that takes the place of the death benefit. In our case for this plan, even if you have fallen ill and you use the critical illness cover, we will provide a partial compassionate benefit in the end also when the time that the policyholder passes. So it covers both illness and also will still come with a compassionate death benefit in the end. Lifetime coverage up to age 100. So we will cover up to age 100, and it comes with AIA Vitality. So AIA Vitality is our science-backed health and wellness program. And this is where we talk about prevention. A lot of the diseases that are becoming more common today, especially heart disease, stroke, diabetes, these are considered lifestyle diseases, meaning we can actually change the course, alter the course of where our bodies are going through changes in our lifestyle, in our diet, in our physical activity, and being more proactive about getting checkups and making sure we know what's happening on a regular basis so we can get ahead of any conditions that we might be at risk for. And Vitality is designed to help with that. We track activity, we reward changes in habits, good habits that lead to better health. So the product will offer not just help when you actually fall ill, but also a tool that you can use to improve your health every day, to know your health and improve it all throughout your life. There are also additional optional benefits that can be added to the product. So what we know as riders. So these are the options that are available to those who will be purchasing a critical Protect Plus. Emerging conditions benefits, so these are for tumors, emerging conditions, and other chronic diseases that come up and are not part of the base plan. Critical care assist. So we found that ICU is actually a big driver of out-of-pocket expense in the Philippines if you have to stay in the ICU as part of your hospitalization. This optional benefit provides financial support if you have to stay in the ICU for 5 days or more. There's also gender-specific cancer benefits. So certain cancers are more common for females. I mentioned breast cancer and cervical cancer earlier. For males, we have prostate cancer. This is a benefit that we can add on so that there's extra protection for gender-specific types of cancer. And then finally, payers benefit on death and disability. So this is an important optional benefit also. It will waive premium payments in case the policyholder actually suffers from a major illness already or death. So death or disability. Okay, so that is a Critical Protect Plus, our newest product. Again, designed to cater to our changing needs as lifespans are longer, as illnesses evolve, as costs rise. As all of that is happening while we remain committed to our families and making sure that we care not just for ourselves but also those we love. So this is something that we hope will address some of the emerging needs of Filipinos today. Thank you.
Big round of applause for Mel. Thank you so much. Now, please do stay. We're going to have a few questions from the audience over here. But I do want to say, though, as somebody who's been in the ICU for a year,